Morning, boys and girls. This is for Friday, February 21st. Today is a day one. Currently, you're watching this video right here. And please make sure that you still include a devotional this morning. A couple of announcements. Today, as it's Friday, it's another catch-up day for this week. And I've created a checklist here for you to view. This is it's easier than it looks to navigate, so don't stress out. Let me just orient this a little bit for you. So basically, if you go down here at the bottom, you guys can see the dates, February 3rd to 7th. So this is the first week. And I've gone through all of the activities. And if you have done it, I've given you a check mark here. I've put a little place of where this assignment is so that if you're wondering, I don't know where that is, go look at Seesaw. Since every single person has done the feelings check-in, I've been able to archive that Seesaw so no one can see it, which is good. We want to eventually make sure everyone gets all of these things done so I can archive them. Let's go to February 10th to 14th. It gets a little bit more complicated. If you have a yellow, it just means that you've done it, but I've given you feedback and I'm sending it back to you. If you have an empty one with like no color, that means that you haven't done it yet. And so maybe go back to those. It's like, where are the ones I don't have a check mark? Then that's where you can go back and finish those things up. A couple of things. Don't stress out if you've done it, but I haven't gotten a check mark. Check when did you do it? And if it was before the date that missing updated where it says here updated, then maybe I missed it. But I'm going to go back and every time I update it, I'm going to change the date of when I updated it. So if you did it after the update date, you're just going to have to wait until I go back. Something to note, please find your name and check that you have completed all assignments. Okay, so this kind of thing is just telling you what I just told you through the video. And then next week I'm going to make a new tab for the new week's assignment. So I haven't checked Thursday's assignment because I wanted to make sure I gave you guys time to do that. And then hopefully it will all be updated by Sunday evening before the next week begins. Let's go back to here. Make sure you complete any Bible work and make corrections on your note taker. Oh, I'm sorry, actually no. We're gonna do this on Sunday because I haven't gotten all of the Bible parables yet. So complete any Bible work and submit your note taker. And so on Sunday, I'll have the corrections and the answers to that note taker, but I didn't want to post it until all of you guys have submitted it. If you guys have any questions later today, I'll be on from 9:15 to 9:45. And at 10 o'clock, I'll be meeting with Esther, Jada, Marcus, and Curtis. So that's just our weekly check-in for your writing assignment. The rest of you, I already met with you yesterday, or I'll be meeting with you next week. So check here to make sure you have that time blocked off for your meeting with me. Make sure you check what Miss Lucia has had for you throughout this week. If you are behind on anything, now is the time to catch up on Chinese. And please submit your reading log in Seesaw. I know I haven't been reminding you to mark that, but I just want to see what kind of reading you've been doing the last 2 weeks. Just take a picture, screenshot, and then submit it onto Seesaw. And this is irrelevant. Okay. Well, have a great day learning, boys and girls. I'll see you guys soon.